Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna put you guys on to one of the fragrances that made my top 5. Now this fragrance became special to me. Once I smelled it, I knew that I had to have it. So this is that. This fragrance was released in 2018. It is now 2021. I know I'm 3 years late, but hey, that's what reviews are for. So I'm putting y'all guys on if you don't know about it. Fragrance I'm talking about is Haramain Amber Oud Gold Edition. This fragrance right here, hands down, is fire. I have no complaints about it. I know a lot of you guys say that it's sweet, this and that. Yes, ladies, this fragrance is unisex, so women, you have the privilege to buy this, just like you have the privilege to buy any fragrance you want. But this fragrance works good for both sexes, male and female. Now, this is the box for the 120 milliliter or 4.2 fluid ounce bottle. Opens vertically to reveal this monster. Like I said, fragrance released in 2018 by Haramain. He does have other fragrances, but this is the only one that I've tried so far and I have no complaints about it. This fragrance is a monster. Like I said, it's more on the sweet side, so it does consist of pineapple, melon, musk, bergamot, you can say candy, vanilla, other ingredients that give it's a very like a fruity but very vanilla-y kind of vibe to it. Like when I put it on the other day, definitely you can smell the fruitiness, but it tones down very fast into a very pleasant smelling vanilla. Now, this fragrance will run you between $60 to $80 online for the 4.2 fluid ounce. I think I've seen the 1.7 for like 40 bucks, 50 bucks online. Now, if you want to go to, the mall and you want to shop it there and whatnot, and you're scared of ordering online, you're gonna pay north of $100. I think the most I've seen was $150, so please be aware of that. This fragrance is a monster when it comes to longevity. You spray it on, it lasts on skin between 2 to 4 hours, depending on the chemistry you have. 2 to 4 hours on skin, easily 8+ hours on clothing. People will be able to smell you 6 hours after putting this fragrance on, and they do not have to be close to you. So that's why this fragrance made my top 5, because not only is it pleasant smelling, but is long lasting and easily, like, I found the cheat code and was able to get it more at an affordable price online, but this fragrance easily could go for 100+. It's just one of those fragrances. You can use this fragrance all season round. You can use it on the cold, you can use it in the hot, you can use it if you want to go grocery shopping, you can use it if you want to go on a date. This fragrance definitely will have people asking you, hey, what do you have on? This is a compliment getter, this is a chick magnet. It just, hands down, it goes down. Check, check, check. Definitely one of my top 5s. I can't tell you my top 5s just straight out the bat because there's so many good smelling fragrances. But thank you for tuning in. I'm John the Don. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Cheers.